Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to explore one of W.B. Yeats' most famous philosophical poems, Sailing to Byzantium. This poem is an important part of English literature and discusses themes such as old age, spirituality, art, and the search for immortality. In this video, I'll explain the poet's introduction, the poem's background, its themes, and detailed analysis in simple and easy to understand language. So let's begin. William Butler Yeats, 1865 to 1939, was one of the greatest modern Irish poet and dramatist. He played an important role in the Irish literary revival and was awarded the Nobel Prize in Literature in 1923. His poetry combines Irish mythology, symbolism, musician, philosophy, and personal experiences. His later poems focus on old age, death, art, spirituality, and the search for immortality. Sailing to Byzantium is one of his finest philosophical poems and reflects his mature poetic vision. Introduction to the poem. Sailing to Byzantium was published in 1928 in Yeats' collection The Tower. The poem presents an old man's spiritual journey from the world of nature to the eternal world of art and wisdom. Byzantium symbolizes an ideal civilization where art and spirituality are everlasting. The poem explores the conflict between the mortal body and immortal soul and expresses the poet's desire to achieve eternal life through art. Some important themes. Number one, old age and youth. The poem contrasts youthful energy with the helplessness of old age. While the young enjoy love, music, and physical pleasures, the old are neglected and forgotten. Second is mortality and immortality. W.B. Yeats emphasizes that human life is temporary, but art and the soul can achieve immortality. And the third is art as eternal. The poem celebrates art because it survives beyond human life. The golden bird symbolizes the stability of artistic creation.